this session, I'm going to explain you simple terms of how to identify a database and what are the tables in the database. We can check it using PG admin. Once you open the PG admin, we're going to start and PG admin. Click this PG admin. It will ask you once you creating PG admin password, and later it will open this window. The PG admin 4 will works with you that using the browser. It will show you on the local host with the help of the port number. It's a 5387 and 0, and browser it will show you. All right. And see here on the servers, you try to expand here the Postgres server version. How many servers are available in your system? It will be reflect here. My system, it's having only PostgreSQL Server 12, and expand this. These are the databases it will be shown. How many databases are available in your server? It will be represent is in a database 1, 2, 3. Likewise, it will show name of the database. It will show. And coming to the tables, you expand the database and see here under the schemas. See, there is an object. It will be shows like tables. You expand this. These are the tables in the database which are available in this particular database. All right, that is very much pretty easy. Before going to database, taking a backup and a restore activities, a simple view I'm going to giving you and taking what is exactly the database and how we are going to treating as in a tables, and we have to check once we have taken a backup of the database. Once we are going to be restoring, we have to verify whether the database is correctly restored or not. For the purpose, we have to check whether tables are came properly or not, and once run the select statements to know whether the data is available within the table or not. The purpose I have initiated this session. Hope you enjoyed and you are able to familiar with what is database and how to see in PostgreSQL Server and tables. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.